Are you frustrated with the Apple Pay services currently unavailable error? You're not alone. This issue can be a real hassle, but today I'm going to guide you through some quick and effective steps to get your Apple Pay back up and running. Step 1. Check Apple Pay server status. First things first, let's check it if there's a server issue. Open your web browser and visit the Apple Pay server status page. If there's a temporary outage, all you need to do is wait a bit and try again later. Step 2. Verify your internet connection. If the server is fine, the next step is to ensure that your device has a stable internet connection. Go to settings and check if you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. If not, switch to a reliable network. Step 3. Restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve any issues. To restart your iPhone, hold down the power button until you see the slider. Then slide the power to off. So wait a few seconds before turning it back on. Step 4. Adjust regional settings. Incorrect regional settings can also cause problems. Go to Settings, select General, then Language and Region. Make sure your region is set correctly to one where Apple Pay is supported. Step 5. Reset all settings. If you're still facing issues considering resetting all settings, this won't delete your data but will revert settings back to your factory defaults. Go to Settings, App General, then select Transfer or Reset iPhone and choose Reset All Settings. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Apple Pay services currently unavailable issue quickly. If none of this solution work, it might be time to reach out to Apple support for further assistance. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.